Hey gang, it's time for a little real school talk with your Uncle Sean. So this is the passing period. Last time we were talking about the iron rule of school improvement. 3 parts to that. We talked about the first part, which is teach the right thing. And the right thing is the right content at the right time at the right rigor. So once that's in play, then the second part of the iron rule is teach the right thing better. So, if we're going to teach the right thing at the right time, at the right rigor, then what that means is we have to pace faster and we have to make sure that kids are thinking a little deeper about the content. Now, that's hard to do in a traditional school period unless you're teaching better. So, how do you teach better? Well, we'll start with 5 things. That fundamental 5, the 5 highest yield instructional practices that you can use, and when used as a cohesive unit, has a significant impact on student performance. One reason why is that using the fundamental 5 is a way to pace faster. So if I'm moving through content faster, I've got to do the things that help kids get more from what's going on. So when I'm in the power zone, kids are paying attention more often. When I close my lesson, they retain more. When I recognize and reinforce, they give me more effort. When I have kids talk about the content, you get better retention, better connections, and better thinking. And when I have kids engage in critical writing, I'm going to get better retention and better thinking. So that is the secret to teaching better. Those fundamental 5 practices. I can weave those fundamental 5 practices into the lesson, embed them in every lesson, and every lesson becomes more powerful. So if I want to teach better, when I'm teaching the right thing, and the right thing is the right content at the right time, at the right rigor, then I have to spend more time in the power zone. I have to close my lessons. I have to have kids have more academic conversations, both informal and formal, during the lesson, and I need to embed more critical writing. Not longer amounts of critical writing, but more critical writing. So a burst here, a burst there. And all the while I'm doing that, I recognize and reinforce kids so they give me more effort and keep trying. So that is the how to teach the right thing better part of the iron rule. And you can teach better, but if you're not teaching the right thing, performance isn't moving forward. If you like this, share it, subscribe to us, or you could also grab one of my books. And right now I was just grabbing the Fundamental 5 Revisited, and it talks more about those fundamental 5 practices and how to implement them in your classroom.